Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe, and I've recorded this video because I want to give you a sneak peek behind a technology that we've developed that has literally generated thousands and thousands of leads in many industries where no one even knows who I am. This has allowed me to leverage authority to create CTAs on curated content that I share on social media, taking advantage of proven viral content that my people absolutely love. It's allowed me to build tribes, build lists, build custom audiences, and so much more. Now, this is a technology used by some of the biggest companies out there, but with this in your pocket, you can use this to literally explode your leads, your sales, your conversions, your brand awareness, and so much more. So with that being said, let me show you exactly what Silent Siphon can do for you. Okay, so this is the Silent Siphon dashboard, and like I said, I've been using this system to generate thousands and thousands of leads and huge custom audiences in pretty much any industry I want to go into, even industries where no one knows my name. And this is why we built this. I built a lot of my tools for me first, and I want to make sure they're working for me. They're delivering results for my businesses. And then when I'm happy with them, that's when I share them with you guys. So I'm going to give you a quick tour here. And you can see in this system right now, this installation, we've already generated 26,000 leads. And that is not including the 40,000 retargeting leads that I have also created as well. Now, retargeting leads, again, we basically are invisibly dropping a cookie on the content that we are curating and sharing with the world and getting eyeballs on from whichever target market we want to target. And then again, we have the actual calls, direct calls to action. This could be like a button, a pop-up, or an opt-in form or anything like that. You can see we've got 7,773 conversions, about 29% conversion ratio, okay, with calculations. You can see some of these campaigns down here. We're only running 6 campaigns. And I'm going to show you just how quickly you can set one of these up. So I've already got an article I want to share up here. And again, this is good for a good business article. I want to find content that is going to provide value to my target audience, that is going to be very enticing, that they're going to absolutely get a lot of value out of. So I might, again, just check it, make sure it's all cool, make sure it's something that I find valuable, which I've already done. So if I'm cool with that, and the cool thing is you can do this with pretty much any site in any industry. It doesn't matter, as long as there's content in there, you can use it to leverage and create traffic, conversions, and profits. You can use it in, well, it doesn't matter what you try to do. If you try to generate leads, create a custom segmented audience, laser focused, if you want to create affiliate sales, e-commerce sales, whatever purpose you have for getting that click, you can use Silent Siphon to boost that dramatically. So all we do is grab a link, paste, create new, and then we can select our campaign type. Now, we can have pop-ups, sticky bars, slide-ins, welcome screens. We got a ton of awesome templates that you can use and modify to your heart's content. And we'll be adding many, many more over a period of time. The other cool thing is you can also just drop a retargeting cookie. Nothing else. Just click, boom, done. No interference, it just silently happens in the background. But we're going to go with just a standard pop-up right now. You can see this is the standard style and everything else. Okay, fine. So we're going to click use this, and then we can customize anything we like about the actual content that we're sharing. Maybe we want to add a little extra tweak. Maybe we think that the title's weak, but the content's great. We can then modify it. We can then customize how we want this content to be seen. If someone's coming, say, from Twitter, and we don't want, for whatever reason, we don't want to show it to Twitter users, then we would block out Twitter as a referrer, twitter.com or something like that. We can also do further wildcard referring, which I won't get into the technical geekery of this, but it allows you to really segment out a lot of different things to make sure that if a certain campaign is matched or met and everything else, then, or certain keywords are there, then you can show this content to them. There's all sorts of different things you can do. Very, very cool stuff. And you can change how things appear, how your call to action will appear. For example, if you're linking from Facebook, they don't like you to have a pop-up on load. Well, we don't want to do that, so we can do it on exit or later on or with a significant delay and everything else to stay compliant with terms of service and everything else. You can also then connect up your form to any of the supported platforms, which we have many, to say the very least. We support all sorts of webinar systems, autoresponders, CRMs, and again, we'll add more over time. So I'm going to come back over here now. I'm going to do this really, really quickly because I want to show you you could get set up in 60 seconds with this. And we could customize if we wanted to, say, give away a report or a PDF or a video. We could, again, change the image as we see fit, set some animation to it, change any of the titles and the calls to action and everything else as we see fit. But if we're all cool with that, again, very quickly, boom, we have our customization, and then we can use the style editor to modify anything we like, add extra graphics or anything else to really truly make it ours. You get a live preview here of everything, and when you're done, you click this button, publish, you're done. It's as quick as that. So that's a campaign already set up. You can see there's nothing happening yet because, again, we haven't done anything with it, but let's go actually look at the content. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go over to Facebook, okay, and say that this is my page, or I could drop this into groups where I know that people are that are very active or in the industry I want to target, or I just put it on my page here. I'm going to do it on this page here, and I'm just going to click, and this is where the magic happens. See this? It shares all of the content, but it's my link, okay? And I'll just say, this is a great article if you want to boost, or if you want to create a cult-like following in your business. Give people a reason to check it out, and just say, hey, check it out. Done. Simple as that. My campaign is launched. And here's the cool thing. You see this? It shows that it's on their site. It's from Entrepreneur and everything else. However, when you click it, it goes through to my site. And again, we are using our technology to wrap around it. And again, leveraging all that authority and everything else. And there we go. Now I'm doing this from Facebook, and we're not doing an ad here, but you can see, boom, there's my call to action right away. Now, can you imagine the power of doing this? Imagine if BBC or CNN or Fox News or Huffington Post or any other website with tons and tons and tons, I mean, millions of people visiting their stuff every day had your link on there this prominent. It would cost you a fortune. In fact, for most places, you wouldn't be able to do it. Well, with this, you can take your link, your special campaign link here, drop it in front of your audience and let them click on it, be engaged with the content that you're providing, and then boom, you can do this. Now, again, let's do another one. I'll just use another example here. So let's just take this. Okay, we'll take about Elon Musk here. Let's create a retargeting campaign. This is even faster. So I'm going to come back over to the main overview, the main dashboard. And now if you have your retargeting code handy, this is how quick it is. Time me. Literally, okay, click this button. Okay, we're going to go to retargeting. If we have it, we copy and paste it in there. We're going to pretend we've done that. Click, boom, done. Done. Literally, that was under 10 seconds to launch a campaign. Now, here's the thing. If this is, I'm segmenting out entrepreneurs who have an interest in Elon Musk, or if I have some sort of segment in my custom audiences, again, boom, that campaign is now open for business. Some interesting insights into humor fails, okay, because that's what the article was about. Okay, done. Anyone who now clicks on this is now getting segmented, retargeted with my campaigns. I'm done. Literally done. That's it. Now, here's the cool thing. I'm doing this on my border right now, but look at this. I can actually boost this post. I can set out and create a campaign if I wanted to. I won't actually do it right now, but I could create a really powerful, quick campaign and start targeting different people and everything else. But anyone who clicks on this Now again, I can set anyone to a custom audience anyway, but I can then use this to create multiple retargeting across the board, across multiple channels very quickly, using and dropping my affiliate codes, my retargeting codes, or any other kind of codes I want. Just like that. And again, you can do this on multiple platforms. This is the beautiful thing. I'll say, go over here. I'll put this on LinkedIn. Maybe I can siphon some links on some leads and some customers from LinkedIn. Same deal. But all it takes is a few clicks and you have your traffic, you have your conversions, you have your profits scaling up automatically with every link you share. And I could just start clicking buttons and sharing this out as I see fit. I'll just, for example, click, and I can go post this out wherever I want. So boom, and here we go. I could put it out on Google+. We could go put it on Twitter, and boom, post it there and everything else, all just in a few clicks. It's as simple and as sweet as that. And you can have literally tons and tons of campaigns going really, really quickly. And you can come back in and reconfigure your campaign. You can run A/B split tests to test which call to action works the best and everything else. But there you go. That's a quick demo, the power of Silent Siphon.